welcome to the channel on the surf. Here is the family, Sandra, Hector and Jack. My name is Jimmy and we are the family that lives on the surf. Yeah, it's time. Winter is coming. Boat season is over for this year. Now the next boat season starts, the winter season. The time to fix up and repair stuff. And there she is. So let's go aboard for the last time this year. So now it's time to start to prepare the boat for the cold weather. So that means empty the water tank, that's done. Then it's time to disconnect and empty the water hoses. So let's do that. So for start, find the water pump. And then just blow in it. Yep, then it's time to empty out the water boiler. Yeah, I have one of these pressure valves, but I'm gonna switch that. So faster way is just to remove it. And then just let the water out. Yeah, and then for the toilet, flush it out. The most environmentally friendly thing I can find. That's and also an antifreeze. That's windscreen washer fluid. So just pour it in. And flush it out. So now we have antifreeze in the toilet, in the hoses and in the tank, and it's yeah, as friendly to the environment as I can find, because you know it's designed to be sprayed out in the air and in the nature. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, it's full, so I need to empty it out. that's the fourth run, so it should be empty soon. So okay, just keep on waiting. And yeah, now it's time to take care of the seawater part of the cooling system. So what I've done so far, this one goes to the seawater inlet, so I've just disconnected it here, added this hose, primed it, that means just filled it up, then yanked the hose down to the bottom of the can, and over there it's the last part of the water system before it exits into the exhaust pipe. So I switched that out last year to a clear one, so when I see green, since this fluid is green, I know the antifreeze is all the way. And yes, it's that environmental friendly, super expensive stuff. It's basically what do you call it, chlorophyll, you know, that things that's inside plants. I don't know how it works, but it's made of it. So yeah, it's super friendly to the environment, so don't even bother comment about that. So now it's just to start the engine and be ready to switch out the jugs, because I think it's gonna empty it out super fast, because it's like 4 liters. So yeah, let's go. So that's that. Now it's just to connect it back together. Let's see, where did I put that? That one's there. Oh fuck. Where did it go? And yeah, I see green in the hose. That means we are probably good to go. So at least we have done what we could. Yeah, I could have bought like 100 liters of this antifreeze, but it's insanely expensive, so no. At least now I know it's a fair amount. And I know there was water in it from the beginning, since I just put the boat up. And I mixed this 50-50. That means it holds down to negative 33 degrees Celsius, and it's mixing with the water that's already in the system. So yeah, it should be enough for negative 15, 20 something anyway, so it shouldn't be any problem. At least now I know it's in there. So, let's see, the toilet is fixed, the water boiler is emptied out, I've disconnected the water hoses, the faucets are open, all the through holes are open, and I disconnected the shower head from the swimming platform. Yeah, it should be. Yeah, we should be ready. I know there are a couple of points in the boats that there's gonna be collecting condensation water and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna pour in some windscreen washer fluid in those places, and then in the spring just vacuum them out. So that's it. Then we are finished, I think. I will get back to you if I forget something. Yeah, there she is, now ready for the winter. The water tank is emptied out, the septic tank is emptied out, the sea water part in the engine cooling system is flushed with antifreeze, the toilet is flushed out and flushed with some antifreeze as well. The exhaust hose is some antifreeze in. The water boiler is emptied out. Yeah, that's that. And let's check. This is the big super positive thing with the straight shaft axle. Let's see what we need to do for the next year. The sink looks good. I don't have to change that. And it spins easy. That means we are good for launch. That's that. Simple, right? Huh. When you have a stern drive or sail drive or something like that, there is a lot more to think about. It's seals, it's gearbox oils, it's hoses and a lot of stuff that you need to check. And normally we have 2 engines, so you have 2 of those. I'm already done, so yeah, done and done. I'm gonna do a small project and switch the engine like normal Sunday work. So yeah, at least we are good to go. The boat is on the hard. I've started the engine up, give it a shakedown, check the stands, so yeah, shouldn't be any problem. Maybe I'm gonna cover a boat, maybe I'm not. It leanings on not, since we are changing the engine. I don't want to have some stuff in the way. So yeah, and as you can see, there is a lot of activity in the marina today. Yesterday we put about 20 boats on the hard. Today it's about 20 boats again. So one is in full-on attack mode with the pressure washers, and we took up our boat yesterday. So I pressure washed it yesterday. So today that's just done some small stuff. Now I think I'm ready for the winter. So let's go and have a coffee. Yeah, here's another one. So let's just get out of the way. Out walking the boat.